Savannah, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a twisty pet. So, and please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you know when a new video comes up. So let's get started. And this name is Twisty Pet, but I can't remember her name. But I love her. So you need to not this one or not this one, this clear bead. Then see this bead mixes out of the big bead. Then you need to see these two little legs. Make sure these two are next to each other and it's attached. Then you need to twist these little two things. And you have two little pets. It kind of looks like a mermaid because this is the tail with this is the mane. Mermaid, 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 mermaid. So, take this one out like the other time and oops. And then I'm gonna kind of trouble now with it. And the first time I got it, I didn't know how to do it, but I see those instructions. I did not read them. I just saw them, and that even thought. And you're wondering how you put this back not together. Just pull this, pull that, and then now it's time for the magic trick. So all you have to do is put this one in here. But if you're wondering, oh, I forgot to show you guys how to turn it into a bracelet. Is that this? You see that cat hole? Put this thing in here. Okay, let's get back. So yeah. So then let's put it in here. Then twist the two legs. But I'm not gonna do here. Look. And that's not only the magic trick. It turns back to a bracelet. And I'm gonna do one more really quick one. Because I want you guys to know how to do this. Okay, now do bar in the back and see this head? Bye guys.